Hey there, John Hooks here, and welcome to my review of Heroo. And I am in the members area of it now. This is a pretty spectacular app with what it includes. Of course, it is a traffic app guaranteed to get you traffic, or you get your money back plus $50 on top of it. So it's a no-lose situation here. But I'm going to come back to this in just a moment. We'll go through this real quickly. I also have an actual demo video on my bonus page, so I won't spend a lot of time going through all of these because I do have the demo video. So let's get over to my bonus page. So from YouTube, beneath this video, click on the link that says get my exclusive bonuses and Heroo here, and click that link and it'll take you to this page right here. Okay, so one click auto drives free traffic from 700 sources in 60 seconds. That makes us $39 an hour. And of course, $39 an hour is, 24 hours a day on average, right? All right, so, and as I mentioned, this app either gets you results or it's 100% free plus $50. All right, so what an offer, and what a way to back your product. All right, so from the desk of Billy Darr, the creator of this, dear friend, have you still not got things working yet? Are you still wondering how money is actually made online? Are you still stuck, confused, and overwhelmed looking for a way out? If the answer is yes, then you're in luck because I have the solution for you. A solution that was created after talking to over 500 people one-on-one that are in the same boat as you. But before we talk about the solution, let me assure you, if you haven't yet succeeded online, it's not your fault. Succeeding online when having to deal with the following is hard, and those things are products that don't work, being pulled in different directions, incomplete trainings and apps, no support from your loved ones and family. So it can be tough. What makes it worse is the uncertain times that we're in right now. With the incoming recession, constant fear, worry, and anxiety, people being laid off from their jobs or just deciding to quit on their own. So, I get it. I totally understand how important it is for you to get results now more than ever before. So introducing Heroo, a new traffic solution that will blow your mind. It's unlike anything else. We understand that now more than ever before, people are distracted, bombarded, overwhelmed. Literally, everyone is trying to get your attention. And being a consumer of this market, if you just look at your inbox, you can see just how many emails you get every day. So rather than competing with everyone else in the inbox, imagine if you could send your link to multiple sources that buyers actually love to use and addicted even. All right. So basically you're just 3 steps away. One, go ahead and pick up your copy before the price increases. Step number 2, activate Heroo. You're going to log in and enter any link that you want traffic to send to in 60 seconds. And 3, enjoy. Enjoy your free buyer traffic that makes us an average of $39 an hour. All right, so let's go take a look at the members area here. And so typically you don't see a members area as full as this, but let's start from the top over here. You have your support link. So if there's any issues that you have, you can contact the support desk. But first, make sure that you've gone through all of the training, okay? And so there's some specific training. Here you have your overview, you have some other stuff, latest deals, your 700 sources, image traffic, video traffic, and URL shortener. And those things we're going to go through in just a moment also. So your 700 sources, you can put any link in here that you want and click send. And it will, and then you have your option of all of these sources to go ahead and send your link to. Okay, and of course these aren't the only ones. And so then you have your image tracking where you can image traffic, where you can use images in, emails or landing pages to capture information and people's traffic. Then you have video traffic, and of course these are all customizable, right? So if you were to click that, you see this is the video traffic here, and so you can and it's recording, and you can stop it at any time and do some slight modifications to it there. Okay, so let's get back here. So and of course your page traffic. Now you can create a link, and then you have your reports of traffic to the pages that you send stuff to. Then the URL shortener that we mentioned earlier in that little training section. So two link cloaking companies are listed here. One that everybody's pretty familiar with called Bitly, and the other one Rebrandly. And these, you want to shorten your affiliate links because that will make them certainly more Facebook friendly and Instagram friendly, where there's just a ton and wealth of people looking for your information. But if Facebook declines to to show it because they don't like your link, they don't like people leaving their page, to go to other pages, that's where these come in extremely handy. Okay, so here you're gonna connect your Facebook and Instagram accounts. Then here you're gonna have your Facebook traffic, and so you have multiple options that you can use: multimedia posts, CTA posts, carousel, comment template, reply template, automation campaign, and a report template. And your Instagram traffic here, you'll choose a date. Well, you'll create a post. Again, you need to have logged in first, and so we'll get back to that. I won't log in. Now, Core, this is a good traffic source that not everybody is using. You can add question or your questions, that you have there, and keyword traffic. So you can do a new analysis. You put in a keyword. All right, and then you have your backlink traffic. All right, and that's very valuable, and it helps you certainly rank, especially on YouTube if you have backlinks, and so you can get those added in. Your email traffic. You'll set up your API for your email. You'll set up your campaigns. You have some email templates, and you can also create a sequence campaign to go out. And this even offers SMS traffic. You'll set up your SMS API, campaign, your template, and your sequence. And then you can also do some website comparisons. Your website, put in a competitor website, hit search, and you'll get some good information comparing one to the other. Okay, so it was a little bit longer than what I thought it would be, so let's go back here to the bonus page. Let's talk about how much this is going to cost and the bonuses that I have for you today. Okay, so price on this is $17, but there is a $4 exit coupon, when you attempt to leave the sales page, and you'll click that link and you'll get this for $13, okay? And everything that we talked about is what you get. And then there are 5 upsells. Number 1 is the Heroo Unlimited Edition for $97. You get unlimited edition of Heroo, allows you to enjoy unlimited usage and unlimited free traffic and more. Upsell number 2, the done for you setup. In this upgrade, our team sets up the software for you if you feel that it's a little bit too much for you to do. Upsell number 3 is Autopilot Edition for $39. You'll be able to activate all the automation tools within Heroo, All right, upsell number 4 is 200 done for you campaigns edition for $39. All right, so you'll get 200 done for you proven money making campaigns that have made us $50,000. And so that's not too bad of a deal there. And upsell number 5, the franchise edition or franchisee edition for $197. You'll get bumped up to 85% commissions across the entire funnel with additional tutorials on how to promote the funnel to make more sales. Okay, and just some key factors to remember. Autopilot traffic from 700 sources, it's making us $39 an hour, 100% new to Warrior Plus, so work to ordinary people, 12 early users seeing incredible results, 3-figure a day case study, travel and be happy and enjoy, get results, or it's free plus $50, and this is on a 365-day guarantee. All right, so here is the demo video that I alluded to earlier. You can go ahead and bookmark this page. You can come back and watch this video in its entirety, the demo video. Now, to help out, being this is a traffic related app, I'm also going to throw in some traffic for you. So I'm going to throw in 5,000 visitors to your URL, your website, wherever you want to send them. On top of that, 2,500 text ads and 2,500 banner impressions. Bonus number 2, side hustle secrets, highly effective ways to make money online. Bonus number 3, triple traffic, another traffic source. This is dealing with rotators. Bonus number 4, monthly income system. Bonus number 5, essential emails, which is an important part of your whole marketing campaign. And bonus number 6 are the bonuses that Billy Darr has given to me to pass on to you when you pick up Heroo today. And you can do that by clicking on any of these red banners that you've seen on my page. It'll take you over to your secure checkout. This is through Warrior Plus. So after you go to your secure checkout, you'll land on your Warrior Plus page here, your purchase page. And so you'll click on the green button to go ahead and get your edition of Heroo, and you'll click on the blue button to get all of the bonuses that I'm giving to you today. All right, and so that is it. Please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do that thumbs up and hit that alert bell if you will, please. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch my review of Heroo along with the bonuses and the demo. And I wish you a successful day and online career. And as always, to your success.